Hey guys, Roaming with Hamo here, or Hamo. I'm off to Central America in 2 days to backpack for a month. It's going to be 3 or 4 countries. I'm going to take carry-on, got a lot to pack into this backpack. Is it all going to fit in? Not sure, not convinced. We're going to do it in order of 3. First clothes, then tech, then miscellaneous. But carry-on only, let's get stuck in. First up for me is the bag, Osprey PowerPoint 40. It's going to hold 10 to 12 kilos hopefully, but I'm aiming for 8 or 9. So let's see on that. Right, first off the bat, no particular order here, just going on. Boxer shorts, gone for 7 pairs, 1 a day, maybe too much. That's what I'm going to go for. In they go. Next up, socks. Got an array of socks here because I'm going to go from 30 degrees to potentially much cooler in the mountains and in the volcanoes. So I've got to cover all bases. So I've got a lot of socks to put in. First up, ankle socks. Got 4 pairs. Some are new. Why not? Thick socks. Not sure about these. I've got 3 pairs. My instinct's telling me 2. Yeah, let's go for it. 2. Why not? Got 2. Hiking socks, sporty socks. I think that's enough. Okay, next up, shorts. I have got 2 pair of walking shorts, out and about, day to day. Got 3 pairs of what I consider sporty shorts. So they can be day to day as well, especially these blue ones. But I feel like these will cover all the days I'm walking. Okay, that's looking quite full, semi already, but I'm going to condense later. I've got, it's going to be really sweaty, I do sweat a lot. 3 what I consider sporty walking tops and hiking tops. Here. 2 normal t-shirts, 1 long sleeved for those nights in the volcanoes. It's already been too much. Trousers, I'm going to go with 2 pairs of hiking trousers or just normal trousers day to day, may reduce to 1. This is a non-negotiable. 1 smart pair of trousers, pair of leggings, a warm jumper, not going to wear this much, but it's going to be key up in the mountains. Thin layer of a coat, sort of protect me from the rain, sort of not. Let's see how it goes. Footwear, very key. 3 pairs. This is guaranteed on all my trips. Hiking, Solomon's, Bessie's day to day, San UK. Flip-flops. And to finish, 1 England cricket hat for those sunny days. 1 warm hat for those high altitude areas. And 1 vending machine Japanese towel for that in onsen. I was desperate. It's gone with me ever since. It's a bit grimy, but it's needed. Next up is tech. So nowadays, bit of a creator. Don't just travel, I sort of record, interview, etc. Here's a list of tech I'm going to take. First up is this camera and the Rode mic. It's a Sony ZV-1. It's a Rode Video Mic Pro. Put them together on a tripod. That's my setup for the camera. Noise cancelling headphones. Key for the flights, maybe for some of the bus journeys. And these are actually brand new. Got them the other day. Cheers. Spare phone. This is my old Samsung Note 10 Plus. I've deleted everything. It's got no SIM card, so I can put a physical SIM card in there. It has a micro SD card for extra storage. Got about 60 gigabytes on that spare. And just as a backup. Battery pack, just in case I can't find any socket anywhere. Got a nice battery pack to keep me going. My spare little tripod. Kindle. Going to be doing a lot of reading hopefully on this trip. That's key. 1 terabyte Seagate SSD. And this is going to be a backup for all the content I collate. This little connector here, about $15 on Amazon, connects my SD cards. It's got USBs and it's even got an HDMI if I need one. Got a charger. This is going to charge everything from the battery packs to the phones to laptops. So I've got 2 chargers. I'm going to carry my laptop charger and this one should cover all bases. These charge the batteries for the camera and for the batteries, which I'm coming to in a minute. Got this Panasonic rechargeable battery pack with rechargeable batteries. I need these for my next item, and I can imagine this will be used a lot. This is a crucial item for my trip. It's a Zoom H6. So why do I need it? These 2 things here, I can record sounds, so I can click record. These 4 holes here, are for all the local interviews I'll be doing. I'll be plugging my microphones into there and you record everything onto an SD card, which is located just in here. This is the head torch I might need if I'm climbing some volcanoes at night. This one lead represents all the leads I need. And finally, I think for tech, I've got these new mics here. Goes into my Zoom. This goes into the Zoom. This clips onto me. I can record interviews with anyone. I've only got 2. So if it's a third person, one's got to keep carrying the microphone. But this is going to be cool. It's going to be the first time I'm using this. And it's clicker. And finally, of course, what else? But my new iPhone. That's it for tech. Let's go to miscellaneous. Miscellaneous. Just a word on toiletries. I'm not going to show everything I'm going to take, but I'm going to list what I'm taking and what I need. So first up, roll-on and spray. Take a little bottle of shower gel. Going to take Imodium. I have a bit of a bad stomach. Going to take dehydration pills. Going to take ibuprofen. Also sun cream is going to be crucial on this trip. Hand sanitizer, insect repellent / hand wipes, and a little first aid kit to cover all the bases. How can I forget? Toothbrush and toothpaste. So here's the last portion of my episode. This is miscellaneous. So all the stuff I'm going to pack in probably last minute, but it's important to the trip because I feel like I need everything. I'm going to kick off with a grey old water bottle, which can house dirty water. So you can put dirty water in, plunge it down and drink it. It's a reusable water bottle. Crucial, I think, because you don't ever know if you can get water. I think El Salvador, Guatemala and Mexico could be fine. But especially in the rural parts, if you just need to get a bit of a scoop up of water, this is key. You just need to trust it. Once you trust it, game changer. An absolute must, non-negotiable, earplugs. These are loop earplugs. I do suffer from light sleepiness, so any noise, I'm going to wake up. This is important for hostels as well, especially if they're quite loud. If I wear these, guaranteed sleep. Eye mask. Not really sure about this. A bit bulky. May take it, may not. Still weighing up. Next up is my Osprey packable day pack. If this scrunches up into the little pack here, it opens up like this. So you rip it all open. There you go. Day pack. Very handy indeed. And if I'm not using it, I get back up. Notepad and pen. I'm old school. Sunglasses. I traditionally buy new sunglasses because I just lose them or don't care about them. Probably will get some more. But to kick off, these a little compression pack for my stuff. I didn't pack it earlier, but we'll be using this probably for the smaller stuff just to really get it down. I may do a few hikes, so a camelback is crucial because I have my water bowl, which only is about 3/4 of a litre. This will be on the back, sitting away. It's about 1.5 litres, so I've got to get through 4 to 5 hours of hiking at my pace through one of these, so it should be enough. And lastly, the crucial stuff really. Passport, PR card to get back into Canada, my Wise travel card, my credit card, and of course the universal language of the world, the US dollar. Don't worry, it's not got Trump on it. I think that's it. That concludes my packing list. Now the big thing is packing it all. Let's see how I go. And just like that, voila, done. Just about 12 kilos with my laptop. That's going to be my weight for my month trip in El Salvador, Guatemala and Mexico, and maybe Belize. If you like this episode, please follow and subscribe. Let me know what you think. I haven't got the best packing technique, but I've repacked since then and made it a bit more compact, so I'm fairly happy with it. The main thing is, can I compact everything that I need for the trip into that backpack without putting it in checked luggage on the plane? So it's going to be carry on, then I'll do overland right to Mexico City, then fly out back to Canada. Please hit the subscribe button, it really helps. Follow along, and if you subscribe to this channel, there's going to be loads of content coming up for Central America. So I look forward to releasing that content, and let's roam around the world. Cheers, Hamo.
Please follow and subscribe to my YouTube channel today, and let's go and see the world. Cheers, Hamo.